Loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving myself a brow makeover with the Kiss I Envy stick-on brow stencils in the style Dramatic. I purchased the Kiss I Envy stick-on brow stencils from my local beauty supply store for $3.99, and it includes 7 stencil pairs. They have 3 different styles, but I like the Dramatic style the most. Here are what these stencils look like. Like I said, you do get 7 pairs, which is great for the upkeep of your brows and maintaining your new shape. And I also chose the Dramatic because I liked the arch of this stencil. This stencil is very flexible, which is good because that means it'll fit to the curve of your head. And the little shape popped out really easy too. And this stencil is also very sticky, which means it's not going to move while you're filling in your brows. Now I'm filling in my brow with the Kleancolor Brow Essential Powder in the shade Medium Brown using my AOA E116. Now that I have both of my brows filled in, it's time for me to clean them up. To clean up my brows, I'll be using the Nicka Professional Grade 2-piece tweezer set. You get a pair of slanted tweezers as well as a pair of pointed tweezers. And I picked these up from the beauty supply store as well for $4. This is the shape that the stencil gave my brow. Now, while I absolutely love the arch of this stencil, it is not long enough, so I will have to go back and fill out the tail of my brow because I like it to line up with my lower lash line. I'll put a picture on the screen somewhere. And I'm also going to fix up the front end of my brow as well. But so far so good, and these tweezers are very sharp. Now that my brows are all cleaned up, as you can see, I did go ahead and extend the tail of my brows out. I think they look so much better, and I'm loving these arches. Now it's time to move on to concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Fawn, tracing from the front to the end of my brow to further define the shape. Now I'm blending out my concealer with the AOA E113, which is a flat shader brush. I'm using the E.L.F. Clear Brow Gel to set my brows. This stuff is amazing and it keeps everything in place till I'm ready to take it off. The last step is to highlight my brow bone, and to do that, I am mixing both of the shades from my Hard Candy Twinkle Star Highlighting Duo on my Colormates eyeshadow brush. This is my completed brow makeover. I absolutely love how they came out. They look so nice, and I really like how the arches of my brows lift up my eyes. Even though they are nowhere near perfect and they're damn sure not twinning, they look a lot better than they did before. And I recommend you loves check out the I Envy by Kiss brow stencils. Like I said, they do have 3 different styles and you get 7 pairs for $2. Check out the description box for all of the products that I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought. And until next time, bye loves!